For many years, I have struggled between my career, my faith, and building a home that I love. I'm a mom of three. I am a midwife by profession. I often work multiple hours. That takes me far away from home. Sometimes I can be in my station working 5 days and I haven't come home. Sometimes I come home just for the weekend. My husband equally work. So that then leave our children with our nanny. One day, all of this story changed for me. I was far away from home and my daughter was sick. The school called and said my daughter was not well. So when I got the call, I asked a friend to quickly take her to the hospital. When they got to the hospital, it turns out that my daughter's appendix needed to be taken out and it was needed urgently. I couldn't cope with what I had. I was initially shocked and I panicked. I didn't know what to do, but I summoned the courage, hop on the next available train, and start making my way home. The journey took me 2.5 hours, but unfortunately, my daughter has gone to theater and was out of theater. By the time I got to her bedside, she just was about to open her eyes, and when she saw me, she said to me, "Mommy, where have you been? We've been waiting for you. I didn't want to go to theater without you, but the doctor said I needed to go. But mommy, you walk far away from home all the time. I needed you, but you were not there. Mommy, please don't go again." That sent a wave of pain down my spine. I wept beside my daughter's bed. And since that day, I made up my mind that things have to change. I don't attend church services because of my job. I'm absent from home because of my job. My faith level was going down the drain because of my job. So one day I was watching an ad and I saw this advert on TV. It was an ad that somebody was running. And the woman was talking passionately how her job was coming between her and her family and her faith, something similar to mine. And then she said she had to give it up. She had to decide what was more important to her, her family. And so she said today she is a happy mom because she started this online business. So she shared this link about how she started. And I followed the link that she shared and I watched her webinar and I saw the business. And when I saw the business and I saw multiple people that have different story about how this business has changed their life, I said, this is the kind of life I want. This is what I need. And since then, since I started the business, my life has changed. I have gained back all those hours. I have rebuilt my relationship with my children, especially with my faith and my relationship with my God. I don't know what your story is. If you're struggling with your faith and your career and you want to change your life, you want to build your business, you want to still work and put food on the table, but still, do the things that you love, this is an opportunity for you. When I saw this business, I know it was a life changer. It was a dream come true. And all you need to do is to follow the link, plug into the system, see the business for yourself, and see, this might just be answer to the prayer. And today, you might just be smiling, just like I am smiling today. God bless you.